before we make our own sentences, let's take a look at how we form them and the structure of these sentences. Take this as an example. He needs a new partner. Okay, let's take a look at the formula of the sentence. So he, what is it? Yep, it is a subject. It can be also I, you, they, we, and so on. What about this one? It's a verb. If we have he, she, it, the ending will be s or es. If we've got I, you, we, they, the ending will be without any s. Okay, and the rest, object. Okay, and this is the formula for positive sentences. Let's make a negative one. So he doesn't need a partner. To make a negative sentence here, what will we use? We will use, again, subject, doesn't. If we've got I, you, we, they, we will use don't. And already infinitive without any s, because s went to doesn't. Great. What about questions? For example, what kind of partner do you need? We will start with a question word or a question phrase. It can be anything. Where, why, how, when, and so on, which is optional because sometimes we can start with just do or does. Then we've got the subject and again infinitive without any s because s is here. And a question mark, of course. Okay, right. These are the structures. What about the meaning? When do we use these sentences? We use them when we talk about present facts. Something which is true in the present. Also, what about this action? Here, it's a regular activity. Something which happens on a regular basis. Which words can help us to understand, yeah, this is a regular activity. For example, let's draw a scale. So, for example, 0% of my time is never, opposite, always, often, usually, sometimes, hardly ever. What do we call them? We will call them adverbs of frequency. Why? Because they answer which question? How often? Okay, let's use them in a sentence. For example, we go to the cinema. Let's use often. Where shall I put it? Here, 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 or at the end? We will use them before the main verb. I will mark them as an asterisk. Okay, let's write it. Before a verb. What about another sentence? Let's say, I am late. Let's use never. Where shall I put never here? We'll go here after be, before the main verb and after be. Great. We have other words to show how often we do it. If I always do it, I do it every day. Also, I can do it like once or twice a week, maybe once a year. What do we call these words? We will call them expressions of frequency. Which question do they answer? Again, how often? Where shall I put them in the sentence? For example, we go to the cinema. Let's use once a week. Yeah, they will go at the end. We will mark them as a star. At the end. Great, great. What about here? Let's use once a year. Again, at the end. No exceptions. I'm late once a year. Okay, what do we call this tense? Negative questions. We call it present simple. We use it for present facts and regular activities. Thank you very much. See ya.